And now, Captain America takes down one of the most hated women in the United States!
So Ann Coulter had a pretty upsetting weekend.
Very upsetting.
She was taking a Delta flight from New York to West Palm Beach, Florida, and she tweeted about how she was kicked out of her seat.
Yes! It turned into an Ann Coulter Twitter tirade! She insulted Delta, the flight attendant, and even tweeted a picture of the innocent woman who was put in her seat.
Hey, at Delta, if it was so important for the dachshund-legged woman to take my seat, you should have booked the seat in advance, like I did.
Which would be rude if dachshunds weren't totally adorable. But like a demented Energizer bunny, Ann kept going and going. Even after Delta refunded her $30 for the seat upgrade.
$30? It cost me $10,000 of my time to pre-select the seat I wanted, investigate type of plane, and go back periodically to review seat options.
And that's when Captain America came to the rescue!
Chris Evans came at her on Twitter.
Captain America went after her?
Captain America responds, I totally get it. It cost me $75,000 to brush my teeth. I must pre-select a brush, investigate types of paste, and periodically spit.
America is saved! So thanks, Chris Evans! You are one tough Twitter... Oh, look! He posted a picture with his puppy. Priceless. We're TMZ. If you like our vibe, click on that button and hit subscribe. We'll send you more!